Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT First Solutions. In this video we'll learn about SQL Create Index Statement. This is very important statement and it is very useful also. Indexes basically allows your application to work fast. It will improve the performance of your database application, and a lot of time these indexes are useful for searching a specified record. If you set some columns as indexed, then this indexing will allows this SQL or these databases to perform fast search operation on that columns rather than searching on whole table. Okay, so these are very useful application. Index, you can create as many indexes you can in a single table, or you can also create indexes on each table, and the end user cannot see these indexes. Basically these indexes are useful for improving the performance of search operation, okay, rather than misusing the resources of computer, the SQL or another database you are using. If you cannot use indexes, if you are not using these indexes on your application, then definitely this SQL or any database will find out throughout the table. But if you specified columns on the indexes on the specific columns, then it will only search on the basis of these indexes. Okay, so these are very useful. You can create indexes simply by using SQL create index statement. So create, and then I will write index, and then I will specify index name. Okay, and then I will write table name, and then I will specify columns over here. Okay, you can use 1, 2, 3 or any columns you want. Okay, so this index statement will create indexes, but this will not apply this unique. Okay, you should define this unique in another constants, or you can write also unique over here, create unique index. This unique I have already told you in the SQL constants. This will allow the single record. This will not allow duplication of records. Okay, so let's say I want to create index on employees. Create index, and then search by name. This is the name of my index, and then I will set table name employees, and then I will specify the column name employee name. Okay, so if you go to this employees table and then go to indexes, look at this, we have only one index over here in this table, and columns employee name. Now in this case I am indexing this column because a lot of time we need to search the specified employees. Okay, so click on this one and click on execute button over here. Look at this command completed successfully. This is very useful. Okay, refresh and go to indexes. Look at this, search by name. This is our another index. Non-unique, I've already told you that you should use unique in case if you want to make this unique, but it's another one on this column. You can understand on the employees column. In this case, when we search this employees by employee name, this will perform the performance of, this will improve the performance of search functionality in our application. Create another index, create unique. In this case I am creating a unique index on suppliers. Search by name on suppliers, and I will specify supplier name over here. Okay, so click on this one and execute. Sorry, create unique and then index. Look at this, command completed successfully. Okay, go to suppliers table and go to indexes. Look at this, we have search by name, and now this index is unique. Okay, so this is how you can create unique indexes, and these indexes are very useful when end user will write query like this: select all from employees where employee name equals to this one. Okay, like these search queries, this will improve the performance of search operation, and it will not the SQL will not look at the whole table, all columns of this table. This will only look at on this column, okay, because we have set this column as index. So this is very useful tool for search operation and improving performance of your application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and your social media accounts, so that guys can also learn these SQL tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet again in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.